Great job, Oscar Mario. Now we're going to hear Natalia's speech. Can Natalia please come over here? Okay, please be quiet. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Dear Principal, Teacher Chris, administrative staff, teachers and students. In last 15 years, Costa Rica has lost the 7.1% of their forest. We have a problem. Population growth, commercial activities like cattle raising, agriculture, and wood industry contribute to increase the amount of fallen trees. Some natural disasters are caused by this problem. Floods, droughts, and field collapse, which destroy our houses, highways, and take people's lives. And also many animal species are put in danger for the lack of trees where they can live. Even the human being is affected because the air is not pure. There's a lot of sick people with diseases like asthma and allergies. All of this could be avoided if we take care of the forest. Costa Rica is a country with many natural resources, and we have to be responsible of them. It's not enough to get worried. It's time to take in action. The first thing we have to do is reducing the materials that come from trees, like paper, wood, and fiber. Simple things like writing the paper back could make the difference. Then we have to recycle the paper and cardboard. We can be a volunteer in our community for collecting newspapers, magazines, notebooks, etc. And taking them to collection centers. It's our future that is in danger, and it's our world that is being destroyed. Grown-ups have to hear our voice and be our support in order to get a better world. Thank you.